Welcome back to the channel, good friends. We have the hood just about corrected because of the testing that we did on it. It was a great test hood with all the oxidation. I went ahead and finished it. And I did get a few requests to see me polish the rest of it so they could see what it looks like, the transformation that it can make. I don't make a whole ton of these videos because, quite honestly, you guys watch the testing videos, but when I put polishing videos out on a whole vehicle, tumbleweed, crickets, nobody watches. So I just don't, I don't bother to do it because it slows me down to drag the equipment around with me when I can do a pretty damn quick correction. But I'll do it this time. It was requested. So let's finish polishing the 2500 here and see what it looks like. I'm guessing it's going to be quite a transformation. Let's get to work. So there is quite a bit of real estate to cover. The hood is large and the roof is as well. It's the long extended cab. And we have oxidation on the rest of it, just like we do on the hood. The silver is not quite as bad, but the red is in terrible shape, as you can see up top here. So we'll take care of polishing the rest of this, and we're going to do it in a one step. I really want to keep the time limited that we put into this. We have a tune-up into it so far, and we did drain the gas and put fresh gas in because it smelled horrible. It was old gas. Running better, still needs a little bit of attention, runs a little bit rough yet, but no lights on the dash, and seems to shift properly. It has a nice ride to it. The shop manager isn't all that excited about it, but let's get started on this anyway. We'll go with pretty much the same combination that we put together for the test area on the hood, 3D ACA 500, which will cut for us, and a microfiber pad on a dual action polisher. This clear coat, and it does have clear coat. It's not single stage, but it's near the time where they did transition, is hard and stubborn. So we'll be able to do the correction with this combination here, not have to step down and finish, and get it done in one step. Let me wipe off the residue, and you're going to see this team does just fine, even on the roof here, as it did on the hood. No need for the rotary polisher and a real aggressive wool pad. No need to wet sand. We can get around this thing, get some gloss, and make some huge strides with just this combination. Anywhere near perfect? No, absolutely not. But we hardly removed any clear coat or any finish whatsoever. Hardly anything measurable, anyway. So let me continue. I'm going to shut my yap up, and we'll continue to finish this uh, rather large vehicle and get it done in one step. Just a quick pause. I want to show you that the trim and the flares and the side steps are single stage, and that's where you get that transfer. All right, let's continue on. A little before and after. So before here, you can see the oxidation and the staining and the etching and scratches. And then we'll polish her up, and we'll show you the after as well. That's going to do it for this video. Turned out pretty nice. And this was a quick one step around the vehicle. That was the goal today, not to do a multi-step correction with the rotary or wet sanding and really get a ton of time into this. We picked it up cheap. We want to flip it cheap. I found a buyer for it. They wanted a little bit of shine. They were blown away when they walked in the door because they've already seen it when I brought it and unloaded it from the truck with all the growth and the oxidation. and they're more than happy. So if you have any questions on the process, don't hesitate to leave it down in the comment section. If the videos inspire or help in any way, don't forget to subscribe, maybe share them. Hit the notification bell. That'll let you know when we have fresh content available. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'll catch you in the next video.